I found one of Jimmy Pegorino's boys in some building in Corey Square, you know. See after the heroin, Dimitri's hanging up with Pegorino now. I think this boy gonna leave it the right way Jimmy has Dimitri there.
Wait for me. I'm on my way. We will do this for Roman.
See, one love, Jacob.
Okay, what's going on everybody? Kasam says it here, bring back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called A Revenger's Tragedy. If you have chosen to deal with Dmitry Raskolov. Now, of course, you're gonna go and meet Jacob now, which is already in this vehicle right here.
All right, my brother. That blood clot is in another place right now. We've been following for some time. I think his next step is with Pegorino and Dimitri. We follow him there. See?
Thank you, Jacob. I know you cared for Roman, but he was my family. You do not have to do this.
Roman was my boy, you know. I'm doing this for him. Rotted! This Pegorino's boy! You have to stick to him, brethren.
Fuck, we got a tail. Better lose this piece of shit on the way back to the peg. I don't want to be late.
Okay, there you go. So those guys do see you. So there's no need to retaliate, really. There's no need to shoot back at them. All you have to do is just follow close to them. Just make sure you follow them. And eventually you head back to that he will lead you to Pegorino, which is down at this beach, okay? To this warehouse.
Alright, let's be the first number, Richard. What's the plan?
I have to do this alone, Jacob.
There's been enough blood clots in another place, you know. That's suicide.
Roman was my cousin, and I cannot put anyone else at risk. You want to help me? Find a way for us to make a swift exit when these men are dead. Goodbye, Jacob.
One love, Rasta.
Okay, there you go, man. So you got Jacob to get away to find you a swift exit, which of course it does, and it will come out for you. Gotta say, man, Jacob is a very good friend. Okay, so as soon as you get out of the cover, I'll set aim for the guys to the right hand side of where the rooftops were, for the three guys, because obviously they have a better vantage point. And as you can see, me doing the you know, the auto aim and doing the switch as well. You see, there's quite a lot of guys out here, so it's just a big shootout. So just make sure I was trying to stay into a good cover, and at the same time able to aim for them. So I was trying to throw some grenade as well into that bunch of cars. It will do me some great deal of damage. Look at that. Already done me good. Already taken out quite a lot of guys already. That car's gonna blow up, so I'll leave that to it. That guy who's probably got stuck underneath the car. So let's just check out that guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Killed. I think it's just this last guy. Oh. Another guy here. No, there's two guys. Where's this guy? Oh, now he's dead. Another guy here. So many guys in his ditch. Okay, so he died all of a sudden. Okay, there you go. So once you cleared out all these guys, enter into this compound. But of course, before you head in there, read Jacobs' text that says, "I've got an escape plan for you, Star. Keep your eyes in the sky. One love." Okay, there you go. So head over to this compound. There's always more dudes there waiting for you. So always be prepared. And it's always a good idea to enter this mission with some full armor, full health, and a good deal of weapons. Even though, well, good deal of ammo. Even though once you enter the shootout, there will be a lot of ammo that you can loot from these guys. That you could always get from these guys. So you don't have to worry too much about ammo. just worry about getting full armor, full health, because it will help a lot. Okay, so as you just head inside there.
Dimitri, what's the problem? Me and you's partners now. We're back on top.
I didn't work this hard to share the spoils of a victory. Goodbye.
Dimitri, you and me is gonna end this.
You're a piece of bark and shit.
Okay, there you go. So Pegorino's dead, and yeah, forget that guy. Now go and chase Dimitri. Now of course, as soon as you walk out here, be surprised, guys wait for you onto the roof already. So like I was, so yeah, so just be careful. The red dot is just a sign of where he is at the moment. There's no signs of where the other enemies are.
You're not getting away, Dimitri.
So now he jumps into the chopper. Some guy was come and stamp onto your foot. And yeah, check this out. Get into the boat. Get in. And then just get into the boat and then chase the chopper where it's going. The chopper is marked already onto the sky. What? That is red, so you don't have to worry too much about it. Might get lost, because you can still pretty much see it. But don't get too far away, otherwise you will fail the mission, because he would have escaped. Okay, so as you're chasing him, the chopper will shoot out some RPG bullets at you, trying to destroy your boat. So if you do see it coming, just make sure you swerve away and try not to get hit, like so. Very, very inaccurate indeed. Very inaccurate shot. That's the least of my worries anyway. Okay, so now as you're chasing him, after a while, Jacob will actually appear in your AO. So don't have to worry too much. Just make sure you keep an eye on him. Don't let him escape. And just dodge all the RPG bullets if you can. So there he is. There's the chopper. And that is Jacob's chopper. So of course try to get closer to him. And then he will tell you to jump onto his chopper. Oh, look at that. Pretty much close. Okay, there you go. So quickly get onto the chopper. You can see the marker there. And it will trigger the cutscene of you jumping onto the chopper. Oh yeah. Now of course, repeatedly tap A, climb to the chopper. Quick, quick, quick. A. Keep tapping in. Nice. Now that you're in, you are basically in control of the helicopter now. So yeah, so just make sure you use all the weapons that the helicopter has at your disposal. Miniguns, bullets, RPG bullets, explosive bullets, perhaps. Yep. So just make sure you chase that guy. Try to destroy the chopper at least. But it doesn't really work anyway, so okay, so just make sure to keep an eye on the chopper. Don't lose sight of it.
That is the plan, Jacob. I will put the bullet in his heart for every life he ruined, for every agreement he went back on, for every friend he betrayed.
That'll be a whole heap of things in a Nico. I don't think we have enough ammo to shoot him that many times, you know.
Perhaps one bullet in his brain will have to do this.
Okay, there you go. So just after all the choppers, so just have to keep going and follow on. Just have to make sure.
Let me go alone. I want some personal time with Dimitri.
Okay, now we'll go and chase Dimitri. Now, of course, both the choppers does land in this little island here. So there are guys here that'll be trying to kill you as well. But don't worry about it. You can just head on straight on to to hunt for Dimitri. Go ahead. I think there's just cops there which I killed. Of course, we have 2 stars, but never mind. Head straight down. Go kill that guy. Get close to him. Just keep her running. Okay, there you go. More guys there. Let's get on to the field now, to the grass field. Oh, wrong guy. I knew that. Just head over to the field and try to aim. Try to lock on aim to see where he is. Remember, your weapon do have good range, so won't be too far. So just keep aiming every time I hear. Like I have. Look, I'm getting close to him. Getting close to him. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. There he is. Nice.
Welcome to America. Speak English. You're a strange man. You killed your best friend. You betrayed everyone who ever came in contact with you. You killed my cousin. I guess the survival of the fittest thing really meant a lot to you.
Come on, Nico, man. Get out here. Let's go. Come on. Wagwan. Come on, let's go.
Roman never hurt anyone.
I know. I know. Let's go, man. It's over. You won.
Okay, there you go. That is the last mission of the game. If you have chosen to deal with this guy, then that is the end result that you end up with for you personally to kill Dmitry Raskolov. Now, so that's how this mission is done. I'm Sam Sensei. Hope you guys enjoyed this these walkthroughs. And I'm out. Peace. Remember to check out the revenge side of the story to see how the ending will end. And I'm out. Peace.